Sunrise. Tom is back with us. I tell you what, this weekend, as we go on, it's going to get better.
Yes.
Today
Yes.
may not be so nice.
That's true. We've got our transitional Friday underway, which means it's not going to be nice, but we are heading for something else.
That's good.
Something
Which
to
is a
look
good
forward
thing. Starting tomorrow, but really getting going late in the weekend. Outside our St. Joseph Jessamine live weatherbug camera, well, we've got a dreary day out there on tap. It's overcast. Of course, can't really tell because it's still dark, but there's been minimal rain to track overnight, which is good. This is the Max Track Live. There was a little thin line of showers that tracked through earlier this morning. I was tweeting about that. And right there it is, and they've diminished. But some sprinkles, some occasional showers. We may see a reoccurrence of this later on today. But the cold front that came through yesterday and the low that ran the Ohio River yesterday, both of those out of here. So that's all off to the northeast. And what's happening is we're getting this moisture wrapping around the back end of that low in the form of extensive low cloud cover and occasional sprinkles, showers, little spotty, sprinkly stuff that's going to keep the day kind of gloomy. And on top of that, it's getting chilly. Rainfall overnight. We've had 3/100 of an inch, 2/100 of an inch in Frankfort. So, yeah, not much, but we've had a whole lot of rain this year. Just breaking down the stats, I've been wanting to do this for a while just to give you an idea of how wet it has been. It started out in February with the wettest February we've ever seen, over 10 inches of rain in Lexington for that month. Then we had our 10th wettest May. Then we had our wettest September ever, over 10 inches of rain again. And then we just wrapped up our third wettest October, our second wettest Halloween that we've ever seen with that 1.6 inch total that we just had. So that all pushes us up to our fourth wettest year. We were up to the fourth wettest year, and we've got roughly 2 months left, a little bit less. So the wettest year ever, 66.35 inches in 2011, fairly recent. We've got a shot at it by the end of the year, and that's not a record you want to set. Wind gusts have completely dropped out. They were still popping, 20, 25 mile per hour gusts overnight, so that's good. Problem is the chill has settled in. We're down in the 40s. It's 45 in Lexington. You got low clouds, you got these occasional sprinkles. You're just not going to have much of a chance to warm up today. You combine that with the front that went through overnight and into yesterday. So just a really dreary, chilly, kind of raw Friday, but starting to see breaks in these clouds. And tomorrow, sun's back out. Good news, we're in the 50s. By Sunday, we could jump into the 60s, and I think we will stay dry the whole way through beyond the limited shower chance today. Don't forget, Saturday night, Sunday morning, officially 2 a.m. Sunday, we go back to standard time. We get rid of daylight saving time for that little 4-month window of joy for early shifters. Sunset 6:37 tomorrow night, 5:36 Sunday night. So say goodbye to the sunshine. Getting darker earlier. Upper 40s today, overcast. It'll be just a gloomy Friday. There's no way around it. But overnight, we dry out. We drop down to the mid to upper 30s. It gets cold, but tomorrow we bounce back to the mid 50s. Now, that's okay, but it's better Sunday. Mid 60s for the high Sunday. Still in the mid 60s Monday, but we will see an increasing chance for showers and storms. Unfortunately, could be an impact for Election Tuesday, and beyond that, looks like we're tracking another big chill potentially out there toward the end of the 8-day. Sunrise, back in a few.